still with us slightly. At this age, 3 years old, he still was unable to follow the online school. And in 2021 as well, April 2, then he tried the online school. I have right, mommy and daddy? I feel it too. But one benefit of online school that I feel is that when the children started going to offline school, almost all the children who previously joined online school did not cry on their first day of offline school.
Good morning, dear parents, teachers, staff, and our honorable guests. I am Ms. Zoe. We will be the MCs for today's event. Graduation is a significant milestone and an outstanding accomplishment. This is a much-awaited event in every student's life as it acknowledges the efforts put in by the students throughout their academic endeavors. This morning,
Remaja, Best in Penmanship. Kayla Joanna Kue, Most Improved. Stanley Delano Hartono, Most Friendly. Timothy Colin Chokro, Most Cooperative. Vivian Wijaya, Best in Mandarin. Miss Yolanda Christie. Presenting our graduates from PG